Before we get started with this example, go ahead and save the file you're currently working on and then open up a new file. I want to show you how to use the Follow Me tool to create a wavy wall in SketchUp.
So let's start out in this example with the Arc tool. Take the Arc tool, remember it's a 3-click tool. Click once to set one point, again to set the second point, and a third time to set your arc. Now let's draw one more arc. Come over to the right endpoint, click once, and notice as you begin moving, notice that the arc wants to snap tangent at vertex, or basically tangent from the first point you started. Go ahead and double click to set that arc tangent at the vertex. Now let's orbit in a 3D. We want to draw a profile. To draw the profile, take the pencil tool, start at the left endpoint, and click to draw up in the blue direction. Then draw over in the red direction. Then down in the blue, as you're going down in the blue, hold the Shift key to lock that inference, and hover over that first endpoint to reference its distance. Click on it, let go of the Shift key, and then finish drawing to that endpoint. You'll notice that you have a profile, and let's go ahead and draw one more curvy shape on this actual profile. To do that, let's take the Arc tool, start on the right edge, click, and then draw down to the bottom edge and click, and then begin moving an arc on face. Then start from that top right corner endpoint, click, and move to the bottom left corner endpoint and click, and then draw another arc shape. Lastly, let's add one more shape here. Take the pencil tool and hover along this arc line till you find one of these green endpoints. I'll pick this one here. Click and draw out to the right edge. Then go ahead and take the eraser tool and let's erase away some of the excess. These top two edges can go, this edge here, and let's get rid of this mini arc line. Now we're ready to use the Follow Me tool. First, let's pre-select the path using the Select tool. Then take the Follow Me tool and click on the profile. Notice you have a wavy wall, it's following that S-curve, and it's also got some curvature in the vertical direction. Now I want to show you something. I'm going to undo back one step using Apple Z. One thing you should note about the way this Follow Me tool procedure worked, I'll redo again. Notice that profile jumped. I'll undo. So we did not draw it perpendicular with where this started, but SketchUp automatically flips it perpendicular and then has the surface follow. Notice where that profile starts. I like to show this because sometimes it can be frustrating when you wanted that profile to line up to an exact point. So know that it doesn't have to be perpendicular, but SketchUp will flip it or rotate it perpendicular before it follows that path. Now for fun, I could always go into the Components browser, look in the People Sampler, and pick my sitting 3D guy, and sit him down on my new bench.